Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your go-to spot for everything automotive diagnostics and tuning. Before we dive deep into this exciting comparison between the Magic Motorsport Flex and the I/O terminal, I want to take a quick moment to ask you all for a small favor. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Trust me, it's super easy and it really helps me continue bringing fresh content to you. Also, I have a fun little challenge for you all. Let's hit 1,000 likes and 100 comments within the first 24 hours. If you find this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you're feeling generous, hit that super thanks button to support the channel. Now, let's get started with the comparison you've all been waiting for. Magic Motorsport Flex versus I/O terminal. Which one's your perfect match? When it comes to automotive tuning and ECU programming, two of the most advanced tools that come up are the Magic Motorsport Flex and the I/O terminal. They both serve incredibly important roles in the world of automotive diagnostics and tuning. But let's be honest, they each cater to slightly different needs. If you're on the hunt for a tool to help with your tuning, ECU repair, or advanced diagnostics, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into their features, compare them head-to-head, and help you decide which one is better for your workshop or business. Magic Motorsport Flex is an incredibly versatile, all-in-one chip tuning and ECU/TCU reprogramming tool that's known for its flexibility and user-friendliness. On the other hand, the I/O terminal is a specialized tool built for serious repair work. Think ECU cloning, reading EPROMs, and dealing with deeply technical aspects of ECU functionality. So what's the difference? Let's break it all down and make sure you know exactly which one fits your needs. 1. Overview of both tools. First up, let's talk about the overall purpose and design of these two powerful tools. The Magic Motorsport Flex is ideal for those looking to dive into the world of performance tuning, ECU/TCU reprogramming, and, of course, remapping. Whether you're working on cars, bikes, trucks, or even vans, the Flex can handle all that and more with its OBD, bench, and boot modes. Plus, if you're looking to take things up a notch, the FlexBox module adds extra features like BDM, JTAG, and AUD capabilities. On the flip side, the I/O terminal is a tool that's focused on specialized tasks like advanced ECU diagnostics, repair, and recovery. It shines when it comes to dealing with complex ECUs that require direct access. Think older or more intricate vehicles that might not play nice with simpler OBD tools. This tool excels in operations like EPROM reading, ECU cloning, and even pinout extraction. It's not necessarily for performance tuning, but if you're all about the heavy lifting of ECU repair, this one's got your back. 2. Side-by-side comparison. Now, let's compare these two titans head-to-head. I've laid out the key features so you can really see where each one excels. Primary purpose. Flex, it's all about chip tuning, ECU/TCU reprogramming, and performance tuning. I/O terminal. This tool is more focused on advanced ECU diagnostics and repair, making it a great choice for technicians who specialize in module repair and cloning. Target users. Flex, ideal for tuners, remappers, and workshops ranging from beginners to experts. I/O terminal, perfect for experienced technicians who are working on deep-level repairs and recovery tasks. Supported modes. Flex supports OBD, bench, boot, BDM, JTAG, and even AUD modes, making it perfect for a variety of tuning and programming tasks. I/O terminal primarily operates in boot and BDM modes, with a heavy focus on direct ECU access, so it's more specialized for repair. Vehicle coverage. Flex, you're looking at over 25,000 vehicles covering cars, bikes, vans, and trucks, making it incredibly versatile. I/O terminal. While it supports a broad range of ECUs, it tends to focus on European models and may not cover as many newer vehicles as the Flex. Ease of use. Flex. This one is known for its user-friendly software, which is perfect for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. It's easy to set up and get started with. I/O terminal. Not as intuitive as the Flex, the I/O terminal requires more technical expertise, especially for bench work. There's definitely a learning curve here. hardware, and customization. Flex, a two-part system with the Flex module and an optional Flex box, which is highly configurable and flexible, allowing for different setups depending on your needs. I/O terminal, a single unit with optional adapters, making it simpler but less customizable than the Flex. Cost. Flex, expect a higher upfront cost with ongoing subscription fees, but for the value it offers, it's a solid investment. I/O terminal. The I/O terminal has a higher initial cost, but doesn't require subscription fees, making it more affordable in the long run if you don't need constant updates. 3. Detailed breakdown of features. Now let's really get into the weeds and talk about the core functionality of these tools. The Flex is incredibly adaptable. It's designed for a wide range of users, from beginners looking to start tuning cars to seasoned professionals who need advanced programming options. The best part? Its modular design means you can start with the basics and expand your capabilities as your business grows. Whether you're working on Bosch, Siemens, or Vitesco ECUs, the Flex is constantly updated with new protocols. It also supports both master and slave configurations, allowing you to perform full file control or work within a network system, perfect for those of you running a tuning shop with multiple operators. In contrast, the I/O terminal is specialized for more detailed work. It doesn't focus on OBD or live tuning, but it excels at reading EPROMs, cloning ECUs, and doing in-depth repairs. This tool is essential for technicians who work with older ECUs or require direct hardware access. It may not be as flexible as the Flex when it comes to new vehicles or performance tuning, but it's a must-have for anyone serious about ECU repair and diagnostics. For which one should you choose? So, here's the big question. Which one's right for you? Well, it really depends on what you're prioritizing. If you're all about performance tuning and need a versatile, easy-to-use tool that can handle just about anything, whether it's reprogramming ECUs, TCUs, or remapping vehicles, then the Magic Motorsport Flex is the clear winner. It's a complete solution for tuning and reprogramming, with constant updates and a user-friendly interface that can grow with your needs. However, if your focus is on ECU repair, recovery, or cloning, especially with older or more complex ECUs, then the I/O terminal is the tool you want in your hands. It's built for technicians who need to get into the nuts and bolts of ECU repair, offering detailed functionality for tasks that go beyond just tuning. I'd love to know your thoughts on this comparison. Drop a comment below and let me know, do you think the Magic Motorsport Flex or the I/O terminal suits your needs better? Maybe you've used both and you've got some tips to share with the community? Either way, share your opinions and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment, and consider supporting us with a super thanks. Your support means the world to me. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep those cars running smoothly.